Mr. President, esteemed judges, it is an honor to address you today as the agent of the Republic of the Gambia in our dispute with the Republic of the Union of Myanmar. 6 years ago, the Gambia filed its application with this court, seeking to hold Myanmar accountable for its violations of the Genocide Convention. In January 2020, you ordered provisional measures and did so unanimously. We are now finally in the merits hearing, after which the court will decide whether Myanmar is responsible for acts of genocide against the Rohingya group, as alleged by the Gambia. As you will hear over the next 3 weeks, and in particular over the next 4 days, in deciding to bring this case, the Gambia acted on the basis of most careful reflection and assessment of the facts. We did not bring this case lightly. We brought this case after reviewing credible reports of the most brutal and vicious violations imaginable inflicted upon a vulnerable group that had been dehumanized and persecuted for many years. We received and carefully examined the meticulous reports of the United Nations fact-finding mission, dispatched by the UN Human Rights Council. We also examined reports issued by the reputable international human rights organizations, which sounded the alarm on the genocide of the Rohingya unfolding in northern Rakhine State. Those credible reports from diverse and independent sources left no doubt in our minds that Myanmar had to be held accountable for its violations of the Genocide Convention. And so we acted. Genocide Convention is the first multilateral human rights treaty that has been adopted. But its words will be meaningless unless they are acted upon and enforced. It is up to the state parties to the Genocide Convention to invoke affirmatively its provisions in order to truly liberate mankind from the odious scourge that is the crime of genocide. That is why the Gambia invoked Article 9 of the Convention and brought its dispute with Myanmar to this honorable court. The Gambia stands tall in the international community of states and takes pride in promoting and protecting human rights, including international accountability for genocide and other atrocity crimes. We do this out of sense